Hi friends. Welcome to Hott and Sweett. There is nothing quite like waking up to the aroma of fresh aloo parathas roasting on the tawa. It's childhood wrapped in a warm, buttery embrace. Let's start preparing aloo sabji or potato sabji for the filling. Add oil in a pan. Then add chopped onions, salt to taste, turmeric powder, little ajwain. Add half a teaspoon jeera powder. Then add red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients well and cook until oil is separated. Add soft, boiled potatoes, coarsely mashed to keep a bit of texture. Add a generous heap of fresh coriander. Add half lime juice. Our filling is ready. Let's move to prep the dough for the base. Here I am taking wheat flour, besan gram flour. To that add salt. Mix all the ingredients together and start kneading the dough. Make a filling and dough balls like this. Smooth wheat dough being flattened. A massive ball of spiced potato placed in the center. Dough wrapped neatly around it like a pouch. Dusting with flour and gently rolling out with a rolling pin. Serve it straight from the pan, piping hot, with a ball of cool homemade curd, a dollop of spicy pickle, and a fresh block of butter. One bite, and you're right back home. Give this a try at home, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Happy cooking!